Hey peeps, it's your boy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, let me do my shirt a little undone. Uh, but we are going to do the QozyBuds Wireless Hearing Protection. And the reason why I ordered this or got this is because I often go to the range about it. And I like Bluetooth. Um, so the itty bitty manual, as you can see, uh, basic Bluetooth. It comes in a nice little satchel. Now, there was mixed reviews on Amazon and references on how well it works and everything else. I think I got my phone with me. Let's look at see what is the name is going to show up when we want to bond this. Blah 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 blah. La, 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 la. Charging protector, pairing device. Here we go. AC136 is the device name that's going to show up when you want to pair it. Just go ahead and power it up, power up my phone. And we're going to go to settings. So I can go and, God dang it. There we go. Or the swap this. Okay, Bluetooth. Okay, so let's go ahead and power this thing up. Okay. There's a power button on there. And so it's blinking. And so let's go and see if we can get this to sync up using trusty phone. Oh, and there you go. See down there? Oh, I'm not sure if you see it because uh right there. See that? So I'm going to go ahead and pair this and pair, and the light should start blinking from red to green. Uh, okay, I'm going to enable call and audio. And the red is gone. So technically, I should be able to, wow, dude, I don't hear anything. I mean, you can hear the pounding against the earphones, but it is extreme. Let me see what it sounds like with some music. Hold on. Do, 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 do. Music, music, music. Let's see. Oh, let's go use my, what is it called? Um, oh, no, it's called XM. There you go. Let me just play something on XM music. Um, let's do this. Wow, that is the sound quality. I have to say the sound quality is absolutely astonishing. There's now they're in close proximity of each other, but the sound quality is quite good. And I'm hold on, let's try something. I am quite impressed. The two buttons here are for the volume control. As you can see, there's no light there, and you see occasional green light indicating it has a direct Bluetooth connection. Now, I'm using Sirius radio that I have on my phone, the plan that I have. They offered me a deal that I couldn't resist, $4 a month, because I because I just absolutely didn't care, and they wanted me back. So $4 a month for 12 months. Oh, what the hell? $4 a month. I spend more than that on coffee a day. So, but it's a little snug on the ears, and the reason for that is that it wants to protect your hearing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm about to call somebody and see how that works. So let's go ahead and make a phone call. Let's see who I'm going to call. Nope, I'm not going to call that phone number. Let's see who I want to call. Let's do here. I know this fool is up. Are you serious? Okay, that person is not answering. They should be up though. Let's call this fool here. Wow. What time is it? Oh, everybody might be asleep. Let me call one other person I think that might be up. Hmm. Hey man, can you hear me good? Okay, I'm doing a video and I'm testing the product and I want to see how well you can hear me. Uh, they can't hear your voice. I can only hear you. So how you been doing, man? Everything good? Absolutely wonderful. Good, good, good. So okay, okay. So maybe we'll hook up tomorrow sometime and I'll check on you, make sure you're okay. All right, you have a good night. Thanks. The sound quality is excellent. The person had no problem hearing me. I had no problem hearing them. And the primary reason why I bought this is one, when I go to the range, it is loud. I can't use my phone. I often do data center work. This is perfect for that. If you ever been in a data center, it's extremely hot and loud. This would be perfect for both scenarios, gun range and uh data center work. Now, data center work, I can't do videos there. They're strictly limited. And I might do a second video on this, demonstrating how good the quality of the video is, which you can't hear, which I'm not sure how I'm going to work that one out because you won't be able to hear the other person talking, but I can just give you my personal experience of it is, uh, how it is with the product itself. So, how would I rate this product for the price I paid for it? It was good. It was excellent. It's not that expensive, and someone's calling me. Someone's calling me that I called earlier. Uh, my phone is acting crazy. So this product, what I recommend, I highly recommend it. It does what it does, and it does it well. Now I'm going to use this product often and see how well it lasts in a long-term application. But it is what it is. Ron Tech World, what I would recommend, it is. You can get this at Amazon. I don't remember what I paid for it. 30, maybe $40. It's a product very useful if you're in a very loud uh cutting grass, data center work, or you any environment which is extremely loud. I will warn you that these it is a very tight fitting fit. So some people might feel it uncomfortable, but it has to be tight fitting because the whole process of this is to eliminate sound from getting into your ears. So it has to feel snug around your ears, and it has a well-founded cushion to absorb some of that, so it's not as painful. There are some headsets you put on, and you're like, oh my goodness, I got a headache after 2 hours. But this works really well, and it's not the prettiest headset I've ever seen. It, if I had to tell you, it won't win any beauty contests, but I would recommend it. It it performs far better than I ever expected. So until next time, this is Ron Tech World. It's a product you may want to buy if you go into the range or you're doing a little data center work, or it's just too loud in the house and you just want to sit back and chill and just listen to some good tunes without having the noisy world around you interfere with your life. Until next time, you guys take care of yourself.